So Paul Pruzina, it is a pleasure to be here with you.
Thank you.
And we're speaking to you today because you are one of the latest of the Simons Postdoctoral Fellowship holders. I'd like to find out a little bit about your background, how you came to apply for it, and what your experience of it has been so far. So first of all, tell us a little bit about your background with mathematics. Did you always know that you were going to pursue a career in maths?
So when I was in school, I was quite good at maths. I quite liked maths. And I, after A-levels, I went to Cambridge for my undergrad. So I spent 4 years here working my way through the undergrad and then the part 3. And then during that time, I found myself kind of gravitating towards the more applied courses, the fluid dynamics side, which is then what I went on to do my PhD in. So I did my 4 years in Cambridge, and then I've been in Leeds for the past 4 years doing a PhD.
And was it shortly after you achieved your PhD that you found out about this scheme?
So actually it was probably around this time last year. One of my supervisors is one of the main organisers for the programme that I'll be joining. And he sort of let me know that this would be quite a good opportunity. And I looked into it and I liked the idea, so I applied.
So tell us a bit about the programme that you're involved with. Which I&I programme is that?
So it's called Anti-Diffusive Dynamics, and it's running in the spring from January to June. And it's focusing on the idea that if you, in a normal system, you would expect a diffusive process to act as a smoothing process. But if you have the opposite of that, so anti-diffusion, then that can lead to the increase in like instabilities, and you get some cool dynamics. That's quite badly explained, so I might want to redo that bit.
So that's the programme that you're going to be attached to here.
Yeah.
So at the moment, where are you based? Because my understanding of the scheme is that you could be based at any mathematics department in the other 6 months of this fellowship.
Yeah, so I could be based anywhere, but I'm based in Cambridge as well, over at DAMT. So I'll be spending the other 6 months working with some people there on similar problems.
And obviously that's going back to a similar environment that you were in for your undergrad, as you told us earlier. Is it different being back in this different context? Yeah,
it's different, definitely. It's quite nice to be back in Cambridge. It's a nice city and a nice place to live. And I know the basics of how to get around here, which is good. But it's obviously quite a different environment being here as a researcher rather than as a student. And I'm enjoying the kind of extra freedom that brings. Absolutely.
And so in January, you'll be part of the programme here. At the moment, you're, as you say, based at DAMT. What do you think the future holds? Because this seems, from the outside, like an interesting opportunity to get to know a lot of other academics, to work alongside more senior academics and academics of various ages quite early in your career. So is this providing a good foundation for what you're doing next, and what do you think you might move on to after this?
Yeah, I think it's a really good opportunity. At the moment, I'm certainly wanting to stay in academia for at least a few more years. So the chance to be put in contact with all these people from all around the world will be a really great chance for me.
Absolutely. Yeah, there's a few other recipients of this fellowship that have spoken about their experience, which you're yet to have, I suppose, of being on a programme alongside some field-leading academics who may be much later on in their career. So I hope that sounds like an exciting opportunity as well.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it.
Yeah. Well, thanks very much for your time, and wish you all the best, and look forward to seeing you back here at I&I in January to come.
Thank you.